welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make clear slime without borax. So without further ado, let's get started. So the ingredients you're going to need are clear glue, baking soda, contact lens solution, something to mix your slime with, a container to contain your slime, and something to mix your slime in. So first you'll want to make your baking soda solution, so just pour in some water and add in some baking soda into the water and mix it.
I know my limits, you can break me down but I'll stay.
Mix it up and let it sit aside. Now it's time to make your clear slime. Just pour in your clear glue and add in your baking soda solution that you made earlier. And then just mix it all together.
To see you again.
Now just add in your contact lens solution bit by bit and mix it up until it forms slime.
See you again.
You know your slime is ready when it doesn't stick to the bowl anymore and it's not sticky. So as you can see, there are a lot of bubbles in the clear slime currently. So what you want to do is to put it in a container and let it sit for 3 to 5 days to let it clear up. Make sure you close the lid of the container tightly so that it doesn't dry up. Now just let it sit aside for a few days to let it clear up. My slime took approximately 3 days to clear up, and I'm filming this part with artificial lighting, which is why the quality is so bad, but I hope you guys don't mind. But this is the first day after making the slime, and it is pretty clear. There are still quite a number of bubbles. So this is the second day, and it got a lot clearer than before. There are lesser bubbles now.
See you again. Been fighting ways to get away.
So this is the last and final day, and the slime is completely clear now. So now I'm just gonna add some glitter stars into the clear slime. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below and subscribe to see more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!